this episode of Tommy Bird, Thomas has something to say.
I want revenge.
Why do you want revenge?
Mr. Giggle has tied me up in a chair, put an air compressor in my mouth, and says he's gonna blow me up like a balloon!
Which was funny as fuck.
And I don't even like popcorn! So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna look for him. I'm gonna use this as a decoy. Hopefully it works.
Okay, good luck with that.
Mr. Giggles. Mr. Giggles?
I'm over here!
Oh shit. Hi, Mr. Giggles.
Hi!
I'm a very...
Oh,
You took my glove off! Now you're really gonna get it!
oh.
You fucking clown!
Oh shit!
Fucking clown!
Hey, that's my
Oh shit!
Can I go find Tommy?
Joe!
What the fuck?
Hide behind the mask!
Run out the door, Thomas! Run outside! Run outside! Hey, Thomas, he's down! He's down! Run outside! Run outside! Get outside!
And you have music like dun dun dun. Fuck you, clown! What are you gonna do?
He came inside, Mr. Giggles.
He's afraid! I'm going through the window! Oh, outside!
No shit!
Bye-bye!
He's leaving.
Come on, Tommy Bird.
I'm coming.
I got you.
Fuck you, stupid clown!
MC Spike is in the shitter, so Exhaust is now filming this.
Fuck you, fucking clown! Hey, a water balloon! Get out of my fucking yard! Keep going! Get your ass up here! I got a rat! Right here. I got a rat! Get out of here!
Hey, where's Giggles going?
I don't care. Let him go. Perfect.
Where did Giggles go?
You know what? I don't care. He got what he deserved.
Hey, that's not nice. Mr. Giggles loves you.
Mr. Giggles lick my nutsack.